Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, right now in front of you Canon Pixma and the model number is G3420, and on the screen you can see it's showing paper jammed and there is an error 1300. It's showing that rear tray open and inside the printer press OK. I will press OK, showing please wait momentarily, and also saying paper jammed, remove rear tray. So there is a jam inside, and if we will try to see from this location, I couldn't find anything from here. There is nothing inside here. So now with the help of flat screwdriver, what I will do, we will just open the front cover and I will try to lift these rollers, and might be there will be something over there, any paper or any kind of thing. So I have to pull this up with the help of flat screwdriver. Stay with me, watch the video and see how I will pull it. With the help of flat screwdriver, we will try to lift these rollers and we'll try to find over something over there like this. If you can see my hands, we will lift one by one each one and we will try to look over there. So nothing here, or you can insert the flat screwdriver from here, insert from here and push this flat screwdriver. If there is anything round over there, it will go behind the paper path. And here is the paper sensor. Now if I will turn back again, and you can see viewers, there is a small piece of paper that was inside. We will pull this paper out with the help of flat screw tweezer, and then we will check our printer. You can see this paper was inside, and that paper was causing to showing paper jam error. Okay, now it seems everything fine because printer was the brand new. So I will turn power on again and we will check, and so we will check again either it's working or not. And I mentioned earlier that I lift these all one by one with the help of flat screwdriver. You have to find something jammed inside, and so might be you will get something over there to release it, and then the printer will work back again. So stay with me. Now we will turn the power on and we will check either it's printing or not. And there is no paper jam now. If I will show you, printer is initializing. Before it was showing straight away paper jam error and 1300 message. Okay, now it's saying that save the rear tray paper information, press OK for next, and this is OK, and now printer is working fine. If I will give copy command, it's scanning page now, and let's see it's feeding the paper or not. Okay, you can see it's feeding the paper very well. Okay guys, this was the method, the paper jam error in G3420 in Canon Pixma in-tank printer, the new model by Canon. If you have any question regarding this printer, like Wi-Fi setup or any other issue, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.